Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the low mileage 2018 GMC Acadia SLT, stock number Z7772A. Only 4,000 miles on this one owner, local trade. We sold this Acadia brand new, blue steel metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seat 6, leather interior, bucket seats in the middle row, which are also heated. Separate rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Seats tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 2. The Acadia is a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating with backup camera and rear parking sensors. Power liftgate for convenience. 50/50 split folding rear seat. Fold flat easily. Give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And of course very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SLT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, adjustable power liftgate, power seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Push button start. Large, easy to read gauges, again only 4,000 miles. Advanced safety features like forward collision alert, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Separate rear heat and air controls along with backup camera. Dual front heating and air with heated front seats. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a spacious glove box with all the materials inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, and HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Acadia has a 3.6 liter V6, 310 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon and a city average of 25 on the highway. Again, only 4,000 miles on those tires. For more information on this Acadia, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.